Good morning, guys. We are going to Hoover Dam. Look at this guy. He's getting ready for the navigation to go again. Look, that's a big bus, Las Vegas.
Tagalog.
Ayan, yung big bus ng Las Vegas, oh. Sobrang laki, may second floor siya. Is it a tour bus, right? Oh yeah, big bus tours. That calm. Vegas, baby. Look at this.
Four Seasons.
Here's the Four Seasons. Yeah. There you go. Dealer, I thought it's kind of like Harley Davidson racing.
No, it's dealer. It's
Ayan, tingnan nyo yung view. At saka yung lake. Isn't it a Hoover Dam, right?
no. Lake
Wow. Oh, this is the Lake Mead. We've been here before. Oh, wow. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung Brown Mountain. There you go. Look at the street. Look at the highway. Everywhere. Wala nito sa Pilipinas.
What does that sign say?
Hoover Dam, that side. Okay. Ayan, bulldog.
Bulldog.
We call that, it's look like a cow
It's
with
a ram.
ram.
It's a ram.
You know, wherever we go, we have a zigzag road.
Tagalog.
Zigzag is Tagalog also.
There's a ram. Look,
Wow.
ram truck.
Ayan. Tapos, pababa na kami. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda, diba? Papunta kaming Grand Canyon.
This is not the Grand Canyon. This is Hoover Dam.
This is the Hoover. Oh, cool. Here's the Hoover Dam. See, he kept tricking me.
It's on the way.
Oh my God. This is nice. See, it's look like you are in the top of the world. And the Lake Mead is there. Ayun oh, makikita mo pa rin siya oh. Ayan. That's the tour bus.
We don't need the tour bus. We got. I'll be your tour bus.
Yes. This is how the way my men treat me. Cars only, no trailer. Okay. Have car. Look, I don't know. There's a security guard there. Oh no, they just check.
There's nothing to see yet. That's some of the electricity.
Yeah, the electricity. That's the electricity from the dam, right?
Yeah.
I want this sign. Just this. Ay, sorry. Ito yung walking bridge na itinayo nila noong 2001. So dito ka maglalakad para makita mo ng maayos yung dam, hanging bridge too. So bawat gilid niyan ay may mga gratings. Tapos iyon na siya. Ito yung dam. Ayan yung makikita nyo sa gilid, yung bridge, yung greatness, at may iba pa. So, marami siyang message. Then, ito yung dam na nagko-connect mula sa Colorado River, Arizona, to California. So, ito yung pinakamalaking dam dito sa USA. At saka historic dam siya. So, napakalaki niyan. At ginawa nila ito ng matagal, as I believe is more than 20 years. Ayan siya. Tapos maglalakad kami ng medyo...
I don't think I can get a picture of you.
Ha?
I don't think I can get a picture of you. You can't get it. See, stand here. I don't think I can get you.
Smile.
Oh, Nevada. Nevada.
Ayan, tapos na kami dun sa Hoover Dam. Pababa na kami ng bundok. Are you sure you wanna go there?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
Bye, Hoover Dam! Papunta kami kung saan. My man gonna surprise me. Where is that?
We ran out of time. We had to change our mind.
Yeah, we have to change our mind. We don't go to Grand Canyon.
What is that?
Bulldog. That's the ram.
No matter what time it happens, I'll definitely call you. I just don't.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's not by 4, I realize I won't get the the $25.
Okay, I want you to enjoy there, okay? Maybe I'm just... Ayan, another view.
It would be nice at night.
Yes. This is the daytime. Look at the mountain. That's the best location. For sure, that is the expensive one.